So far, we know that persuasive writing is something to get someone to do something. It's an opinion. You can ask someone to do something you think you should be done. So you're trying to convince them, and you're trying to convince people to agree with your opinion. So let's think about what about letters? What do we know about letters? So if we think about letters, we know that we're going to need a date, a body, a closing, a greeting, and some examples we thought of were text, email, note, Valentine's, thank you. I also heard a letter to Santa. And that might even be a persuasive letter because you're trying to convince Santa that you should be on the nice list, right? So we start with a greeting, and then in our body paragraphs, we have a thesis statement. What's the thesis statement? That's some language of the discipline. What does thesis statement mean? This is going to be your opinion. This is a sentence that has your opinion, and this is what you're trying to convince your reader to agree with. That's your thesis statement. It's your sentence that has your opinion and what you're trying to prove or what you're trying to convince. Then in your body, you should also have some reasons and explanations or examples to explain why they should agree with you. At the end, you're going to have a closing. So you can say something like sincerely, and you can write your name. Okay, so you can have a closing, you could have a signature. Those are all part of your persuasive letters.